Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the camera off to protect circuitry and cards. This also prevents sudden shutter or mirror movement. Once done, place the camera on a flat surface with a soft cloth under it to avoid scratches. Make sure to locate the battery compartment, usually at the base or side, by the latch icon. Pressing the camera's power off first reduces risk of data corruption and makes the next step safer, so don't skip this quick but essential step. You now open the battery door by sliding or pressing its latch in the marked direction. Some doors spring open, others flip down. Control the motion so it doesn't slam. Once open, support the camera with one hand and use the other to press the small retention catch. If present, then slide the battery out following the guide rails. Doing it steadily prevents bending contacts. After removal, visually inspect the battery and compartment contacts for dirt or corrosion before you move on. To finish, close the compartment and confirm it clicks shut. An unsecured door can interrupt operation. If you're storing the battery long-term, keep it cool and around 40 to 60% charge to preserve life. If the camera won't power up after reinserting the battery, reseat it, try another known good battery, and clean contacts gently with a lint-free isopropyl wipe. Dust or oxidation is often the culprit. If problems persist, consult service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.